Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the last session we have considered Avogadro's law and even ideal gas equation. Okay, well, in ideal gas equation we come across expression like this, that is PV. Okay, PV is equal to N into R into T. So is the ideal gas expression. So in this expression, what that is P refers? P refers to pressure of a gas, V indicates volume of a gas, N indicates the number of moles of gas, internal mass of a gas. Here R indicates what we said, R indicates the universal gas constant, right? R indicates the universal gas constant and T indicates the temperature. Well, now in this session we are going for different units for that universal gas constant along with the corresponding values. Well, gas constant, if I consider nature of a gas constant, in order to understand the significance of R, okay, R gas constant in significance ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ let us examine nature of quantities in the ideal gas equation. Well, what is that ideal gas equation? We said PV is equal to nRT, right? PV is equal to nRT. So here P is the pressure of a gas, V is the volume of a gas, N indicates the number of moles of gas and R indicates the universal gas constant, T indicates the absolute temperature. Well, what we are doing is just we are rearranging the expression. ಈ expression ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು? We are just rearranging, equating for R. Well, R is equal to PV divided by N into T. So what we have done, we just rearranged it. So on equating to R, so R is equal to PV, okay, as it is. This N and T goes to what? Goes to denominator, right? So the expression becomes R is equal to PV by NT. Well, R is equal to, what is P? P is nothing but pressure. What is V? V is nothing but volume of a gas divided by N. What that N indicates? N indicates the number of moles of a gas, that is moles. And the T, what is the T here? T is the temperature. So yes, I repeat. So just mathematical form, R is equal to PV by NT, we are writing in terms of watts. So pressure into volume divided by moles into temperature. Okay. Well, now what is pressure actually? Pressure is nothing but it is the force per unit area. Okay, the force exerted by 1 mole of a gas per unit area is nothing but pressure. Means instead of pressure, what I can write? Unit area, right? So instead of pressure, what I am writing? Force by area is nothing but pressure into volume divided by moles into temperature. Well, here force, we have written force divided by, what is area? Area is nothing but actually length into breadth. Okay, therefore just I am writing length square is nothing but area into, what is volume? Length into breadth into height, right? So area, what we know, area is equal to length into breadth, therefore I can say length square. Similarly, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Therefore generally I will mention length cube gives the volume. So instead of area, what I am writing? Length square. Okay, instead of this area we are writing length square, and instead of volume, what I can write? Length cube, L cube, divided by moles into temperature. So here this length square, this square and cube get cancels. Okay, length square and cube cancels, remaining force into length divided by moles divided by mole into temperature. So here square and cube cancels, remaining force into length divided by mole into temperature. Okay, well, further see here, force into length, what it is? The product of force into length is nothing but work done, or I can say even energy. The product of force into length is nothing but work. Therefore instead of writing this force into length, what we are writing? Work divided by moles into temperature. Means here what this work means, it is the work done per temperature per moles of a gas. Thus R represents what that R representing, it represents the work done per degree per mole, per degree temperature per mole of a gas, right? So this work can be expressed in different system of units. We know that work done can be expressed in different system of units. Therefore R will have different numerical values. Okay, andre ಈಗ R value other ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, it depends on the work done or entire unit of a pressure and a volume. Okay, well, consider numerical values for universal gas constant. How we are getting those numerical values means, just say the numerical value of R depends on what? Depends on the unit of in which pressure and volume are expressed. Well, so case 1, first case, when pressure is expressed in atmosphere. Pressure ಹೇಗೆ express ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ? Pressure is expressed in atmosphere and volume is expressed in terms of liters. Then the unit of R will be what? Liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. So liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ? If pressure is expressed in terms of atmosphere and volume is expressed in terms of liter, then its unit will be liter. Okay, expression ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. What is that? PV. PV is equal to N into RT, or R is equal to PV by NT. So pressure is expressed in terms of atmosphere, volume in terms of volume. So liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. So substituting these values for 1 mole of a gas. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ? 1 mole of a gas. We know that 1 mole of a gas at STP going to occupy corresponding volume. Just we substitute those values here. Say 1 atmosphere STP, standard pressure is 1 atmosphere, and what is the volume? 22.4 liters. 1 mole of gas occupies 22.4 liters of a volume. So we have taken V is equal to 22.4 liter and standard temperature is 273 Kelvin temperature. So 1 atmosphere into 22.4 liter divided by 1 mole into 273 K. Say atmosphere, liter, mole, Kelvin, respective units. Now if you simplify it, the unit will be 0. The value of that R will be 0.08205 or simply 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. I repeat. Okay, the substituting the values for 1 mole of a gas at a STP. At STP condition, the R value will be, okay, 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Alright. Now second case, in SI units. Okay, if I consider SI system of measurements, the pressure is expressed in terms of what? Newton per meter square. What is the SI unit of pressure means? We already mentioned. It is the Newton per meter square. And what is the SI unit for volume? It is the meter cube. Okay. For pressure, it will be Newton per meter square and volume will be expressed in terms of meter cube. These are the SI units. Okay. Well, then the numerical value of R in SI units can be calculated. Well, for general equation, R is equal to PV by NT. Okay. Well, substituting the values of 1 mole of gas at STP again. So 1 mole of gas means how much pressure? We said 22.4 liters at STP. Okay, 22.4 liters at STP. So in terms of Newton per meter square, it will be 101,325 Newton per meter square is the corresponding pressure, and with respect to volume, it will be, in terms of liter it is 22.4 liter, but in terms of meter cube it is 22.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Okay, therefore values, corresponding values here you can say R is equal to PV. P means how much? Pressure. In terms of Newton per meter square, it is 101,325. 101,325 Newton per meter square into volume 22.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube divided by how much? 1 mole of a gas into 273 Kelvin temperature. So if you simplify it, okay, so R value will be 8.313846. Okay, if you simplify it, we get 8.313846, or if you round off this 8.314. So since here what is remaining, say meter square, meter raised to minus 2, meter cube cancels, remaining is meter, and Newton meter remains at the numerator. So if I consider Newton meter, it is equal to 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 joules. Therefore instead of writing Newton meter, what are we writing? Joules we are writing. So joules per Kelvin per mole. So what is the condition I said? SI unit. Okay, in SI system of measurements, the unit for R and its value will be 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole. So is the second case. Okay. Then third case is when pressure is expressed in bar and volume is expressed in terms of dm cube. Dm cube is nothing but liter itself. Okay. Well, so now the third case, if pressure is expressed in terms of bar and volume is expressed in terms of dm cube, right? So we know that 1 mole of any gas at 1 bar pressure and 273.15 Kelvin temperature occupies 22.71, okay, 22.7. 1 bar pressure, volume, corresponding volume will be 22.71 dm cube or 22.71 liters. Therefore, so R is equal to 1 bar, okay, pressure is 1 bar, volume how much? 22.71. Remember, 1 atmospheric pressure, corresponding volume is 22.4, okay, 4 liter. 1 bar pressure means corresponding volume will be 22.71 liters. Okay, remember this. Well, divided by how many? Again 1 mole, and temperature is 273.15 Kelvin. So if you simplify this, we get 0.0834. So R value on simplification we get 0.08314 bar liter per Kelvin per mole is the unit. Okay. Well, coming to the fourth case, say if in CJ system of measurements, so in CJ units, if the pressure is expressed in what? Square per, okay, dynes per square centimeter, and volume is expressed in terms of cubic centimeter. So pressure is expressed in terms of dynes, okay, per square centimeter, and volume, how volume is expressed in? Volume is expressed in terms of cubic centimeter, centimeter cube, or even you can say cc, cubic centimeter. Then R has units, ergs per degree per mole. So we what is the unit for R? It is the erg, erg per degree per mole. Let us examine this. Say for 1 mole of gas at STP, what we know, pressure will be equal to P is equal to 76 centimeter length of mercury column. Means in CG system, for 1 mole of a gas, the corresponding pressure will be 76 centimeter length of mercury column, and the density of mercury is equal to 13.596 gram per centimeter cube, and corresponding gravitational force will be 980. In CG system I am expressing 980.6 centimeter per second square. Now here 1 atmosphere is equal to, okay, 76 centimeter into density 13.596 gram per centimeter cube into gravitational force, okay, 980.6 centimeter per second square. So if you simplify it, it is equal to 1/1, okay, 1013250 gram per centimeter second square. ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 1 atmosphere is expressed in terms of in CJ system. So 1 atmosphere is equal to 1013250 gram per centimeter per second square. Well, in terms of dynes, since 1 dyne is nothing but, okay, 1 dyne is equal to gram centimeter per second square. ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 dyne is equal to gram centimeter per second square. Therefore is expressed, this value is expressed in terms of dynes. So it will be equal to 101.3250 dyne per centimeter square. So what it is, 1 atmosphere value we got. 1 atmosphere is equal to 101.3250 dyne per centimeter square. Okay. Now pressure in CG system, that is in terms of dyne, say 101.3250 dyne per centimeter square. Then volume how much in terms of cm cube? Okay, corresponding volume will be 22,400 centimeter square. So that is centimeter cube. And temperature 273.15 Kelvin. Therefore R is equal to PV by NT. PV 101.3250 dyne per centimeter square, and corresponding volume 22,400 centimeter cube divided by 1 mole of a gas, and temperature is 273.15 Kelvin. So if you simplify it, R value we get is 8.314 into 10 raised to 7 erg per Kelvin per mole. So here a dyne, okay, dyne centimeter is equal to erg. Okay, what is the remaining here? Here per centimeter square, centimeter cube cancels, so dyne centimeter remains. 1 dyne centimeter is nothing but is equal to erg. Therefore instead of writing dyne centimeter, we are writing erg per Kelvin per mole. Okay, is the fourth case. Okay, now further we know that in terms of calories, if I consider the relations, 4.184 into 10 raised to 7 ergs will be equal to how much? Is equal to 1 calories. So therefore R is equal to 8.314 into 10 raised to 7 divided by 4.184 into 10 raised to 7. So if you simplify this, 1.987 calories, that erg can be converted in terms of calories. So 1.987 calories per Kelvin per mole. So R is equal to 1.987 calories per mole per Kelvin, or 2. Okay, if you roughly round up this 1.987, it will be 2 calories per mole per Kelvin. Okay, well, so if we get the values for R, say what is the first one? If pressure is expressed in terms of atmosphere, 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole, and if pressure is expressed in terms of bar, what is the value we got? 0.0831 2121 liter bar per Kelvin per mole, and in terms of SI system, 62.3 liter millimeters per Kelvin per mole, and in terms of ergs, 8.314 into 10 raised to 7 erg per Kelvin per mole, and in terms of joules, 8.314, okay, 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole, and in terms of calories, 1.987 calories, okay, per Kelvin per mole. These are the all possible values for R, that is universal gas constant. Okay, well, so R value must be taken in the same units of pressure and volume. So whenever pressure and volume, depending on the unit of pressure and volume, we have to take the corresponding value of a R. Okay, well, so consider a MCQ here. The correct value of R is, it is not a MCQ, just we are looking for the options. So 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Is it right or not? Yes, it is true. 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole, it is also true. 0.08314 liter bar per Kelvin per mole, it is also true. All of them means, what is the answer here? Yes, answer is D, all are true. For all value, all these values are corresponding values for a R itself, okay, at different conditions. So I hope you got this. With this I am going to conclude about this session. Again in the next session we go for other concept. Okay, thank you, be safe.